Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. I'm on holiday today actually in beautiful Norfolk in the UK at the seaside, and I still wanted to record a video for you because yeah, something exciting has actually happened. As you can see here on my Amazon merch account, I have finally achieved the upgrade. So I finally received that upgrade. That means I can now publish, where it in the past, where it meant in tier 100, I could only publish 100 products and only on one marketplace. That now has been extended, so I can now publish 100 designs, and I can do that across different products and across different marketplaces. And this is the massive upgrade that Amazon started to roll out a few weeks ago, and I believe they started with the invite-only people, like tier 100,000, tier 200,000. I don't actually know how far it goes up, but I know there are people who have tier 200,000. And then they worked their way down. I think it was a week ago when tier 500 sellers received their upgrade, and now I guess it was at some point yesterday or the day before, everybody in tier 100 has received that upgrade. And I believe if you're tier 10, maybe tier 20, it will probably take another 1 or 2 weeks, but you will eventually receive that upgrade as well, which will then hopefully help you to tier up more quickly, because you have eventually the possibility that even in the lower tiers you can spread yourself out more, where in the past you could only really upload 10 products, but maybe you just started your Amazon merch journey, but you have maybe 10 really good designs and you want to sell them across different marketplaces. Now that wasn't possible before. You had to start on one marketplace and one product, which is why many people just started with t-shirts, and there was this massive reliance on everybody putting, the main reason why Amazon did this is that most people, at least in the lower tiers, they really published their designs only on t-shirts. Well, that was a massive loss for Amazon, or lost opportunity, because Amazon, there are many people with a lot of good designs, but they only put them on t-shirts because this is eventually the best selling product. So Amazon pretty much lost out on all those people who wanted to buy that design, but maybe on a mug, maybe on, I don't even know if Amazon have mugs, to be honest, but maybe on pop sockets, or on a hoodie, whatever. And that wasn't possible because many people just didn't publish their designs on different products. Maybe people in the higher tiers did, but probably until tier 1000 or higher, tier 10,000, maybe people most people really only publish their designs on t-shirts. So that is now changing, because it doesn't matter anymore on how many products you publish your design. That is amazing, first of all, for every seller, because eventually you will have more products on the marketplace, yes, but I don't really think that the marketplace is flooded more. Because what it means is that many people now put their designs, which they had on there anyway, but only as t-shirts, they now publish their designs onto different products. So it's not necessarily more designs that will be on Amazon merch or more t-shirts. It will be more products on different marketplaces, also on the smaller marketplaces, yeah, which then again gives more customers there the opportunity to buy them. And also it will just publish the design, more designs will be on different products. So there will be more hoodies available on Amazon. There will be more pop sockets, more phone cases, and all that didn't take place before. There were so many t-shirts, and maybe there is an argument that the t-shirt sector was oversaturated, but then on the other hand, there are new trends every day. More and more customers turn towards online shopping, and eventually, as you all know, you only wear a t-shirt so many times and then you have to buy a new one. So this definitely is an industry for the future anyway, and there will be so many new things and innovations that will be coming out. I mean, there are many people who say the market is saturated. I don't believe that is the case, because more and more people are buying this stuff online. More and more people want print-on-demand products, and more people want different products as well, and more marketplaces will be added. I mean, they only have still a few marketplaces, to be honest. I mean, there are so many other countries where they could launch, sort of Amazon, and this will just be the future. And the future of print on demand will be on Amazon. I mean, there probably will still be other websites around, But I think Amazon, with this latest launch of that upgrade, they will just take over everything, especially in the long run, However, I will still continue to upload to the other marketplaces. I start to make some decent income on these. It starts to pay some bills, and the future still is on Amazon, which is why I want to focus more on Amazon. Now, I was actually waiting now for tier 500, but I believe, as you can see here, published designs, with this latest upgrade, I only have 84 designs uploaded. Before that, before the upgrade, I couldn't upload anymore because I had 100 products published. But that was only 84 designs because I had some products published on US and UK. But now I can upload a few more designs, which I probably have to do in order to receive that upgrade. I don't know if I have to fulfill the product potential. I'm not sure, because that's only 2% at the moment. So I could publish my designs now onto various products, which I will do in different marketplaces, which this eventually means. So at the moment, I've got 101 fulfilled of 6,400, which means I could, most of them were t-shirts anyway, so I can now put them all on different products and different marketplaces, which will then increase that to 100% eventually. And also here, I need to publish more designs. So as I said, I don't know if I have to fulfill all of that to 100% before I can receive the tier 500 upgrade. Maybe I have to, it makes sense certainly. And I think I have now 105 sales or 106 sales on Amazon Merch. To be honest, it's still a platform I haven't focused that much on. I want to focus more on it. But, Amazon Merch, in my opinion, is a bit more work than other platforms, because you have to switch, especially in the lower tiers, you have to switch out the designs that are not selling. And it's a bit annoying because you have to take them down. Then you're uploading a few more. And it always takes a few minutes or so until one design is taken down, It just takes time. It's time I don't really have, or I'm not willing to spend. So it's sort of, I keep it more passive than it should be, really. But maybe I will change that in the future as well, It's hard to do everything in a perfect way anyway, especially if you have a full-time job and a family. And if you're on holiday, like I'm at the moment. But the business is growing, which is great. I think print on demand, with all these latest changes coming in, it's all, every change means a new opportunity. I know many people always look at the negative side of changes, but every change normally has an opportunity as well. Every crisis involves an opportunity, so always try to find these opportunities and then act on them and be ahead of your competition. All right, so hopefully you like this quick update, this video, and if you want to follow me on my print on demand journey, then subscribe to the channel. And yeah, if you like the video, then please hit the like button. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.